So we have to change the IP address of our Elasticsearch database 2.4. You can come back here to Azure and check that here, and we have to modify that here as well. So sudo nano, scroll down here and change it to 100. Two, 4, right? And now let me come back and explain you what this means. So we have the input stage, the filter stage, and the output stage. In the input stage, we have used these folders or this file. We read these files, right? And these files have logs, as you can see here, cd into logs, and they have cut access. And as you can see, it is very hard to read these logs. For that, we have to parse them using the grok, and then mutate. The mutate means to change the type of one of the variables. And here we have the UIP. So the user will use its own IP address, public IP address, to interact with our website. So throughout that IP address, we can geolocate or locate that user using the longitude, the latitude of the IP address, and then we can locate its city and its country, and of course the timestamp. And in the output, we have specified the Elasticsearch, and the stdout means that this all what will go into the Elasticsearch, we can see it in the terminal, right? So what we are going to do now is to run this command to see if everything work as we expected. So the thing that we are going to do now, clear, is get in etc or user share logstack, right? And then ls, and they will use bin logstack -f, and here I will specify the file I have created earlier under config -d nginx config, and they will run that. I have to run this command as root user. So let me come back here and go to my website. So go to my instance, my worker node, copy 330 and 400, and there is permission here. I have to run the previous command as root. So if I try now to so in this lab, all what I want you to show you is how to connect this logstack and Elasticsearch and Kibana, but not how they work. You can go and check that in the documentation. In this lab, I am always only deploy these softwares and showing you how you can connect each others, right? So now you have to wait a little bit. And if I try to go and try to refresh, so we'll try to refresh, and then here type git, and then nginx. There is no nginx index yet, so we have to wait a little bit. So we'll wait until it connect to it. So it is very slow because of the resource, because in this worker node I have used only one vCPU and one memory. So another solution here is you use AFS. So for example, you can launch another instance, right, and run on it logstash, and then try to mount the volume here that is logstash to the other instance, right?